from AutoZone.com. Symptoms and causes of a worn wheel hub assembly. As one of the most crucial components of your vehicle's wheel system, the wheel hub assembly plays a pivotal role in ensuring your car runs smoothly. Over time, however, this part can wear down, leading to a range of issues that can affect your vehicle's performance and safety. Understanding the symptoms of a bad wheel hub and addressing them early is key to preventing costly repairs. Explore what a wheel hub assembly does, the symptoms of wear, the causes behind its deterioration, and why timely replacement is so important. In this article, suggested AutoZone parts, what is a wheel hub assembly, symptoms of a worn wheel hub assembly, causes of wheel hub assembly wear, the importance of replacing a worn wheel hub assembly. FAQ, people also ask. Suggested AutoZone parts, wheel hub assembly front, wheel hub assembly rear. What is a wheel hub assembly? The wheel hub assembly connects the wheel to the vehicle and enables it to rotate freely while supporting the weight of the car. Located between the brake drums or discs and the drive axle. The hub assembly also houses the wheel bearings, which reduce friction and allow smooth wheel movement. A typical wheel hub assembly includes the hub itself, which mounts the wheel to the axle, wheel bearings that reduce friction for smooth rotation, the ABS, anti-lock braking system, sensor, in vehicles equipped with this feature, which monitors wheel speed to prevent brake lockup, seals that protect the assembly from dirt and moisture, fasteners that hold everything securely in place. Symptoms of a worn wheel hub assembly. Recognizing the symptoms of a bad wheel hub is crucial for any driver, as early identification can prevent further damage to your vehicle. Below are some common signs of a failing wheel hub assembly. Grinding or humming noise. A worn wheel hub will often cause a grinding or humming noise that increases with speed. This is usually a sign that the wheel bearings inside the hub have deteriorated. Uneven tire wear. If you notice that your tires are wearing unevenly, it may indicate that the wheel hub assembly is no longer holding the wheels correctly aligned. Steering wheel vibration. Excessive vibration in the steering wheel, particularly when turning, can suggest excessive lateral play in the wheel hub. ABS warning light. Since many wheel hub assemblies include an ABS sensor, a bad assembly may trigger the ABS warning light on your dashboard. It's important to differentiate a worn wheel hub assembly from other potential issues, such as suspension problems or tire misalignment. The key is to pay attention to specific symptoms. Wheel hub issues often produce a consistent noise, even on smooth roads, that grows louder with speed. If steering feels loose or the vehicle pulls to one side, the issue may be related to suspension or alignment rather than the wheel hub. Causes of wheel hub assembly wear. It's common to get 60,000 to 100,000 miles on a wheel hub before it shows signs of a problem from normal usage. Several factors can lead to the wear and tear of a bad wheel hub assembly over time. Understanding these causes can help you better maintain your vehicle. They can include normal wear and aging. Like all mechanical parts, the wheel hub assembly has a finite lifespan. Over time, the bearings within the hub can degrade, causing the entire assembly to wear out. Poor road conditions. Driving on potholes, rough terrain, or unpaved roads can accelerate wear on the hub assembly as it absorbs greater impact forces. Water and contamination. Moisture, dirt, and debris can infiltrate the assembly, breaking down the lubricants in the bearings and leading to faster deterioration. Improper installation or faulty parts. If a hub assembly is not installed correctly or low-quality parts are used, the assembly may fail before its expected lifespan. Driving conditions play a major role in the lifespan of your wheel hub assembly. Frequent driving on rough roads or in harsh weather conditions can reduce the assembly's lifespan by putting extra strain on the internal bearing parts. Proper maintenance and careful driving can help extend its life. The importance of replacing a worn wheel hub assembly. Replacing a worn wheel hub assembly helps to ensure both your safety and your vehicle's long-term health. Ignoring the symptoms of a bad wheel hub can lead to serious mechanical issues. A bad wheel hub assembly compromises your vehicle's steering and braking performance. Continuing to drive on a failing hub can result in literal wheel separation, causing you to lose control of the vehicle. What adds insult to injury is that it can damage other components like the axle, suspension, and tires, leading to even more costly repairs. By replacing a worn wheel hub assembly at the first sign of trouble, you can avoid extensive damage to your vehicle. It makes sure that the wheels are securely attached and rotating smoothly, which preserves your tires, improves steering control, and prevents premature wear on other parts. Do you suspect you have a failing wheel hub assembly? At AutoZone, they have the parts you may need to get it replaced. Find the top name brands in stock online and in store and get friendly service from their associates. As a note, I'm not sponsored by AutoZone. I'm just reading this article for educational and informational purposes. FAQ/people also ask. What happens if you don't replace a worn wheel hub assembly? If you don't replace it, you risk wheel detachment, loss of steering control, and severe damage to your vehicle's suspension system. How long does a wheel hub assembly typically last? A wheel hub assembly usually lasts between 85,000 miles and 100,000 miles, depending on driving conditions and maintenance. Can you drive with a bad wheel hub assembly? While you technically can, it's extremely dangerous and not recommended, as it can lead to wheel separation and compromised safety. What are the signs that a wheel hub assembly is failing? The signs include grinding noises, uneven tire wear, steering wheel vibrations, and an illuminated ABS warning light. Is it difficult to replace a wheel hub assembly yourself? Replacing a wheel hub assembly can be challenging for beginners, but with the right tools and knowledge, experienced DIY enthusiasts may be able to tackle the job.